Also developing tonight, the legal fight between the Justice Department and former President Trump continues in South Florida.
The former president's legal team is arguing for a neutral attorney or special master to review documents seized from his Mar-a-Lago estate. News 6 investigator Maris Badcock is in South Florida tonight with reaction from the courtroom.
A judge hasn't made a decision yet in this case, and we're currently watching the docket to see when that decision might come down. But there were some fascinating arguments made in court today, discussions that we haven't seen at this level since perhaps the Nixon administration. Now, there's a lot of arguments at play, but one of them is this. President Trump's team believes these were presidential documents that were in possession of a former president at a place where he did presidential business. They argue there was no ill intent with Trump having these records at Mar-a-Lago. But the government said specifically in court today that when Trump was no longer president, he lost the privilege to possess the records and violated rules when he didn't return them. And because some of the records were literally top secret with highly classified intelligence info in them, they've opened a criminal investigation related to the Espionage Act, specifically charges related to obstruction of justice and concealing government records. Now, here's what happened after court today. Do you think they're going to side with your arguments? Do you guys think they're going to side with your arguments? Now, Trump's team has accused the government of cherry-picking what info they release, like this photo right here, which shows specifically top classified information. They want an independent person to review all of this. That person's called a special master. They've asked the judge to appoint one. The government, on the other hand, says that's not necessary and any discrepancies can be worked out in court. Now, the judge has said that she's leaning towards appointing one. We'll find out if she actually does. Reporting in West Palm Beach, I'm Maris Badcock, getting results, News 6.